Hi everyone, this is Tivida Benny from Neetu's Academy. In this video, we're going to master one of the trickiest questions in PT reading, reorder paragraph. If you've been guessing till now, this strategy will change everything. You will get 4 to 5 sentences in a random order. Your task is to arrange them into a logical paragraph. Most students read again and again or try to understand everything. But actually, you just don't need full understanding, you just need connections. Step 1. Find the opening sentence. Start with a general sentence. It should not have he, she, it, they, this, these, however, therefore. So for example, technology has changed modern education. Step 2. Look for pronoun links. Find words like this, these, it, they. They always refers to something before. For example, this development has improved learning. This here refers to technology. Step 3. Match keywords. Look for repeated ideas of words. For example, you might see the word online learning later mentioned as this method in the scenario. So that is a connection. Step 4. Identify connectors. Words like however shows contrast, therefore shows result, additionally shows extra point. These help you fix the order. Let's look at an example. The sentences are: option A, this leads to better student engagement. B, technology has changed education. C, as a result, students interact more. First, B is the general idea, then we have A, which effort starts, then we have C, that is the result. So final order is B, A and C. Don't try to understand everything, just find the links between the sentences. That is a secret. Practice this method and you will stop guessing completely. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video helpful.